Your self-image and your Reiki practice. Hello there. I'm Abby and welcome to the video. So today we will be talking about how to match your self-image with your Reiki practice goals to get to that next level that you want. After going through the Reiki course, you should learn about reprogramming your mind consciously. Your inner self-image is a blueprint. It's a mental picture you have about yourself, and it's deep in your subconscious mind. It is developed in you when you were a child, like from the age 1 to 7, and it was put in there by others, and that's because your self-image is part of your subconscious mental programming. And when you were a child, your subconscious mind was widely open, you were easily influenced by others and by the things people say mostly about you. For instance, most of us grew up with very well-intentioned individuals, though some of them didn't have the wisest ways of speaking to you as you grew up as a child. So part of your self-image is bound to have some limiting beliefs that can hold you back. So your self-image is put in by others when your subconscious is wide open. It's easily influenced by others and you are not even aware. Your self-image is powerful and literally controls your result, what you attract, and your sense of self-worth. Therefore, if you want to grow your Reiki practice or business, you must first of all re-evaluate your self-image by observing your results and question it. This is an inside work and only you can do it. So take 100% responsibility. Secondly, create an up-level self-image example. Act like the future you, where your future is already achieving what you truly want. Say these words especially in the morning when you wake up and before you go to bed. I am the best version of myself, so I have everything it takes to be the best Reiki practitioner. By doing this every day, you'll put them in your subconscious mind and then it will become normal to you. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe for more videos. See you soon.